What's going on, guys? So if you guys saw the last video on the RX7 stuff that we were doing, you know that we painted all of the rear end components. So I've given them pretty much a full 24 hours to dry, so now we can go ahead and rip down all this plastic because I don't need to paint anything anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip all this plastic down, and then I'll show you guys what the finished product of the paint is, because oh my god, I didn't convey it well enough in the last video, but this stuff looks amazing. It is absolutely insane. So let's start pulling some plastic down. So I've got everything unwrapped, and I know that on the surface this might just look like a normal black paint job, but if you take a closer look, you'll notice that it isn't. It's super hard to tell on camera, but it's got this nice blue flake in it. This thing came out a lot better than I thought it would. Honestly, I was kind of expecting a pretty shit paint job considering the fact that it was my first one. But even with the hiccups that we had, I'm pretty proud of how it came out. I think it's almost time to start putting all this stuff together and make that car be able to roll again. I think I'm gonna start putting all of my new Powered by Max parts onto the subframe and everything, and see if I can get that all onto the car and see if we can get this thing rolling today. It really shouldn't be that big of a process, but I don't know, man, I'm stoked. It's been so long since this thing has had the whole rear end out, and I feel good that I can finally actually put it all back in. Alright, so I've got all of the brand new stuff assembled on the subframe, and oh my god, it looks good! Look at that. That is absolutely delicious. So now all I need to do is go ahead and assemble all of the old stuff, like the brakes and all that kind of stuff, onto it, the axles and everything, and I'll go ahead and get that put under the car and lift it up and hopefully bolt it in. Honestly, this part of the job has been pretty easy because like this is like what I know, but it's coming out really well. Alright guys, so it's official. The whole rear end is put together enough to go in the car. So this is going to go in as one piece under the car. I'm going to go ahead and bolt it up and then be done with it. Honestly, these results speak for themselves. Look at that. It looks so amazing. The black and the gold and everything. Oh my god. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this into the car and get it put in. Guess who showed up?
What's up, guys? Panda showed up.
Fucking soda.
Yo, this is yours.
Yeah, that's mine.
Shout out to Panda for feeding the hunger.
So we went and got some Panda. I think he's gonna be trying to put a front splitter.
Yes, sir.
On
you
his
guys
car?
Already know.
So we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna still be working on this, trying to get that fully put in the car.
Gloss.
And see if we can get the RX7 rolling.
Feels so nice.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
Dude, I love it. I think that shit's cleaner than my fucking paint.
Dude, you want to see something stupid?
Your RX7? Just kidding.
Fuck you, dude.
I'm just playing, bro.
That shit hurt.
Okay.
I will.
What is this?
Look at the flake under the.
Oh, dude, what? What is that? Is that like the coat?
That's just the paint, dude.
Dude, what kind of paint
It's got blue flake. It's
That's fucking clean.
It's a Toyota paint color. Came on the Tundras. It's called Attitude Black. Has a bunch of blue fucking flake on it.
I fuck with
Dude,
that.
it's nice. It goes hard, dude. It goes fucking hard. All right, so I've got the whole subframe up on a dolly and a jack. So that'll hopefully allow me to roll this under the car pretty easy without scratching any paint. So let's go ahead and try it. Alright guys, so help of one of my roommates, we ended up getting the whole rear end put in.
Did you just film me without my consent?
I didn't actually. Your face was not in this fucking video, but it can be. Do that again if you need to focus. Yeah, that's staying in. Yeah, we got the rear end in, so now I just need to put on sway bars and brakes, and I can put wheels on. So this thing will finally be able to roll, and I'll be able to pull the Eclipse in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'll show you guys what Soda's been doing over here. He's out here in the power stance.
Fucking laying dead because I'm done with this shit. Bruh.
It doesn't honestly look too bad. I think that if you just got that one adjusted a little bit longer.
It's not obvious. Bro, eBay shit never fits right.
Yeah,
it's
I mean,
always molded wrong.
It's eBay, obviously.
Fucking eBay, man. Literally, like if they fix that problem, that's it. It's done.
But it looks pretty good.
From a distance, like everything else.
Yeah.
I feel like one of the rods are longer, dude.
Yeah, it definitely looks like that right one's a bit longer for sure.
It's annoying though because I put them close to each other and they look the same.
Yeah.
You know what? Could be. Nope, definitely not that. Yeah, but this is it, guys. I'm done with this shit. Alright, I'm just over it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna let him finish that. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my stuff, and then we'll get this thing on the ground, and then hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to pull the Eclipse back in. So that'll be sweet. But that's how she sits right now. Yum. Alright guys, this is a really big moment because everything is assembled. It's time to put wheels on this thing, man. Like, I'm stoked. This marks such a huge milestone with this car because now the whole rear end is completely done. It is that much closer to being a running and driving car. And honestly, I am so stoked. But I think before I do finish this thing, the Eclipse is gonna have to go under some work. I want to make that pretty much a second daily to be able to just drive it around and have another reliable car. Basically pretty much because that car at this point is a lot closer to being done than this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting a wheel on. And then I think tomorrow I'm gonna pull this one out and I'm gonna pull the Eclipse in. I'm stoked, guys. This is, you guys have no idea how much this means to me. I'm so stoked to see this thing get off of jack stands, and it's just that much closer to being a running and driving car. Alright guys, so now that I've got the wheels on the RX7, I think I'm gonna leave the video there. If you guys made it this far, I just wanna let you guys know that I appreciate every single one of you guys. We've been making quite a push in subscribers recently, and honestly, I couldn't be doing it without you guys, so thank you for that. And I hope you guys are stoked because there's a lot more good content coming out. I think my projects are finally gonna get some traction. I'm finally gonna actually start getting some stuff done, and it feels fucking good. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.